Welcome back. I'm Mike, the political science guy. I'm just chit-chatting with you about issues of the day. This is the fourth episode, and we're going to go back to the Middle East. The reason why is we left off on the second episode talking about Israel and Gaza. And basically, at one point I alluded to the fact that Hamas really underestimated the reaction of the Israelis and overestimated the reaction of the international community to help them. So they've been reaching out saying, hey, we need a hand over here. We need some help. Now, having said that, the Houthis have stepped up to the plate, and they said that the reason why they're harassing shipping in the Red Sea is because they want to show the world that they support Israel. Now, if you go back to 1492 and Columbus sailed the ocean blue, what was he doing? He was finding another way to get to the Indies because it was blocked by the Islamic world. So the clash of civilization that's going on, oh my gosh, you can go back 1,000 years if you like. That clash of civilization is real. And so what the Houthis are doing, they recently cut communication cables because, of course, they're finding that it's pretty hard to be effective attacking freighters when the British and the American navies are out there and the French navies and what have you. Having said that, what will this end up being? It's going to be higher insurance rates. It's going to be convoys. It could be Q ships. Q ships are a cute little thing where you have a cargo ship that you drop the walls of the sides, and out come anti-aircraft or anti-ship guns or what have you. There's all kinds of things that can change in the sea lanes. For example, during peacetime, peacetime navies often are undergunned. They're under-armored as well. So you'll have an inch or 2 inches of aluminum because it gets your ship to move from 30 knots to 37 knots. That might sound very, very sexy, but when you're up against a missile, it doesn't matter. Eventually, they're going to up-armor. And then the other thing is that when they don't have enough, let's say, fully automatic, robotized machine guns that fire and knock out a drone that's coming at them, they'll upgun. If you look at battleships at the beginning of the Second World War and in the end, you had 120 gun tubs on some of these giant battleships. Why? Because they needed them. So a lot of things are going to happen as a result of this conflict. What will happen to the Houthis? If they don't figure it out, they're going to get stampeded by the West. That's more than likely. Does the West have to actually hold ground? Not necessarily. They could very well get somebody else to go in there and do a judicial thumping, which does happen. You pay other people to do it, but you provide the ground and air support, the logistics, and all that good stuff. So I think that they're doing this on the behest of the Iranians. It's pretty clear that the Iranians are saying, we aren't really doing this, but it is, and the Americans certainly believe that it is, and so they're thumping Iranian assets in Iraq and other parts of the Middle East. So in the long run, what they're looking for is for Hamas to get a breathing space, because the Iranians are about to lose Hamas, because once Ramadan's over, the Israelis are going into Rafah, and they're going to turn them into a debating society. There'll be a cue card at a hotel somewhere in Qatar where they'll be able to talk, but they're not going to be in the streets of Rafah in about 4 months in any organized way. Okay, so I hope that that's been helpful to the cause, that you kind of get an idea of the dynamics going on, and just remember that this thing changes from week to week. So we're talking broad strokes here, not specifically about something that's going to happen for sure, but looks like it. Have an objective mindset, understand why people are doing what they're doing so that it makes sense to you. So you understand the motivations of Hamas, you understand the motivations of the Houthi, you understand the motivations of the Western powers. I leave you with that, and go ahead and have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.